Welcome everyone. Today, we'll be exploring the fascinating world of the human brain. Join us as we dive into the intricate workings and capabilities of this mysterious and incredible organ. Let us begin. The parietal lobe is situated in the center of the brain and plays a significant role in our connection with our physical environment. It aids us in recognizing objects, and its responsibility also includes our comprehension of spatial relationships, permitting us to identify the position of our body and the spot of an item in comparison to our body. This portion of the brain is likewise in charge of our capacity to interpret numbers and control images. The occipital lobe, situated at the back of the brain, is responsible for vision. It handles the perception and acknowledgement of shapes and colors. This part of the brain is likewise in charge of deciphering the messages our eyes receive. It aids us in recognizing and grouping objects dependent on the data it obtains from our eyes. The cerebellum is a vital part of the brain, regulating motor movement and aiding in balance control. It coordinates both voluntary and involuntary movements, like walking, talking, breathing, and blinking, as well as complex ones like sports and dance. This part of the brain helps to keep us aligned and balanced in our everyday activities, making it an essential part of body movement and balance control. The spinal cord is an intricate structure in the human body. It is a bridge between the brain and the rest of the body. Filled with millions of nerve fibers, it carries crucial signals that enable movement and sensation. Its role in reflexes, certain movements, and transmitting messages between the brain and body is integral. Without a spinal cord, neither movement nor sensation would be possible. The temporal lobe is an integral part of the brain, performing several important functions. It is responsible for short-term memory, speech, recognition of musical rhythm and smell. Memory recollection, language processing, and recognition of sounds and smells are all abilities given to us by the temporal lobe. Without it, these cognitive functions would not be achievable. The frontal lobe is the brain's powerful center, responsible for executive functions like problem-solving, decision-making, and planning. It also governs primary motor functions, allowing us to act on our decisions. It is the brain's engine, enabling complex behaviors and actions to achieve our goals and objectives. We've explored the fascinating world of the brain over this journey. How it is constantly growing and adapting, the way it enables us to think, learn and retain information, how it regulates our emotions, and how it affects our choice-making. To conclude this presentation, I'd like to thank you for devoting your time to learn about the brain with us.